morning, students. Let's start with our exercise 10.1. First question. Find the perimeter of each of the following figures. Now see, here a figure is given. We have to find the perimeter of the following figure. Now see, how to find the perimeter? Perimeter is equal to sum of length of all sides. Now see, perimeter is equal to sum of length of all sides. So, 4 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 5 centimeter is equal to 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. So, 12 centimeter is the perimeter of this given figure. Now, see the second figure. So, how we will find the perimeter? 23 plus 23 centimeter plus 35 centimeter plus 40 centimeter plus 35 centimeter is equal to 23 plus 35 plus 40 plus 35 is equal to 133 centimeter. Understood? Sum number C, D, E and F is your homework. Question number 2. The lid of a rectangular box of sides 40 centimeter by 10 centimeter is sealed all round with tape. What is the length of a tape required? Now, to find the length of the tape, what we will do? We will find the perimeter of the lid of a rectangular box. So, you know what is the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangular? That is 2 length plus breadth. Here length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. So 2 40 centimeter plus 10 centimeter is equal to 2 40 plus 10 is 50 centimeter. So 2 into 50 is 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter means 1 meter or 1 meter. So 100 centimeter or 1 meter length of tape is required to seal the lid of a rectangular box. Understood? Sum number 3 and sum number 4. This is your homework. Question number 5. A rectangular piece of land measures 0.7 kilometer by 0.5 kilometer. Each side is to be fenced with 4 rows of wire. What is the length of the wire needed? Here we have to find the length of the wire needed to be fenced 4 rows. So, first what we will do? We will find the perimeter of the land. The formula is 2 length plus breadth. So, length is equal to 0.7 kilometer plus breadth is 0.5 kilometer. So, that is 2. When you add this, you will get 1.2 kilometer. Now, 1.2 into 2 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2.4 kilometer. Now, wire needed to be fenced with 4 rows. So, what we will do? We will multiply 2.4 kilometer by 4. So, therefore, length of wire needed 4 fencing 4 rows. Fencing 4 rows is equal to 2.4 kilometer multiplied by 4. 4 fours are 16, decimal point 9.6 kilometer. Understood? Sum number 6, 7 and 8 is your homework. Now question number 8. Find the perimeter of a regular hexagon with each side measuring 8 meter. So hexagon. How many sides are there in a regular hexagon? 6 sides with equal measure. That means 8. So what you will do? The formula is 6 into side. That means 8. 6 into 8 is 48 meter is the answer here. Okay. Question number 9. Find the side of square whose perimeter is 20 meter. Now here perimeter is given. We have to find the side. Now perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of side. So perimeter is 20 meter is equal to 4L. 4L means length of side. Therefore L is equal to 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5 meter. So 5 meter is the length of one side. Now question number 10. This is just like question number 9. Here pentagon. How many sides are there? Pentagon has 5 sides. So you will divide 100 by 5 and you will get the answer. Question number 11. A piece of string is 30 centimeter long. What will be the length of each side of if the string is used to form a square, an equilateral triangle, a regular hexagon? Here this 30 centimeter long is the perimeter of square, perimeter of equilateral triangle and perimeter of a regular hexagon. Now you will, to find the length of each side, you will divide. That means 30 centimeter divided by 4. Equilateral triangle means 3 sides. That means 30 centimeter divided by 3. And hexagon 6 sides. That means 30 centimeter divided by 6. Then you will get the answer. And this is your homework. Question number 12. Two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter. The perimeter of a triangle is 36 centimeter. What is its third side? Now see here two sides and the perimeter of a triangle is given. We have to find the third side. So we know the perimeter of a triangle is equal to length of the 3 sides. So let us suppose the third side as L centimeter. L means length. Now perimeter of a triangle is equal to, what is the perimeter given here? 36. So 36 is equal to 12 centimeter plus 14 centimeter plus L. Therefore 36 is equal to 12 plus 14 is 26 centimeter plus L. We have to find the third side. Therefore L is equal to 36 minus 26 is equal to 10 centimeter. Therefore the length of the third side is, the length of the third side is 10 centimeter. Clear? Question number 13. Find the cost of fencing a square park of side 250 meter at the rate of ₹20 per meter. Here we have to find the cost of fencing a square park. So first what we will do? We will find the perimeter of the square park. So you know the formula, perimeter of the square park is equal to 4 into length of side. Okay. Side. Here length of the side is given 250 meter is equal to 4 into 250 meter is equal to 1000 meter. Now this is the perimeter of the square park. Now the rate of fencing the park is 20 per meter. So the cost of fencing per meter is equal to rupees 20. Therefore the cost of fencing 1000 meter. 1000 meter is equal to rupees 20 into 1000 is equal to rupees 20,000. So this is the cost of fencing the square park of side 250 meter at the rate of rupees 20 per meter. Understood? Question number 14. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 175 meter and breadth 125 meter at the rate of rupees 12 per meter. This sum is just like sum number 13. First what you will do? You will find the perimeter of the rectangular park. After that you will multiply that perimeter with rupees 12 and you will get the answer, and this sum is your homework. Question number 15. Sweetie runs around a square park of side 75 meters. Bulbul runs around a rectangular park with length 60 meter and breadth 45 meter. Who covers less distance? Now what we will do? We will first find the perimeter of the square park. Perimeter of the square park is equal to 4 into length. 4 into length of the square park is 75 meters. So 4 into 75 is 300 meter. So Sweetie covers 300 meter. Next, Bulbul runs around a rectangular park. So first we will find the perimeter of the rectangular park. 2 length plus breadth. So length is 60 meter, breadth is 45 meter. And the perimeter is 210 meter. Now we have to find who covers less distance. Now Sweetie covers 300 meter and Bulbul covers 210 meter. That means Bulbul covers less distance. Understood? Question number 16. This is your homework. Question number 17. Avneet buys 9 squares paving slabs, each with a side of half meter. He lays them in the form of a square. Our first question is, what is the perimeter of his arrangement? Figure 10.71. Now we have to find the perimeter of this figure. That is in the form of a square. Now see, he has 9 slabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the measure of one slab is half meter. Now you know what is the formula to find the perimeter of a square. That is 4 into length of one side. Now see, here it is half, here half and half. Half plus half is 1.5. 1.5. So how we will find the perimeter of a square? 4 into 1.5. That means here also 1.5, here also 1.5, here also 1.5. So how you will find? 4 into 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. Cut here, 3 twos are 6. So 6 meter is the perimeter of figure number 1. Now second question. Sum number 2. Shari does not like his arrangement. She gets him to lay them out like a cross. What is the perimeter of her arrangement? Figure 10.72. Now, how we will find the perimeter of this cross? That means sum of the sides. Now see, this is half, this two half, half plus half is 1, half plus half is 1, this is half again, half plus half 1, half plus half 1, here it is half, half plus half 1, then this two half is 1, here it is half, half plus half 1 and half plus half is 1. Now you do the total. 1 plus 1 2, 2 and a half plus 1 3 and a half plus 1 4 and a half and 5, 6, 7, 7 and a half, 8 and a half, 9 and a half and 10. So the perimeter of cross is 10 meter. Understood? Question number 3. Which has greater perimeter? Now see, Avneet figure's perimeter is 6 meter and Shari's figure's perimeter is 10 meter. Now we have to find which has greater perimeter. That means Shari's figure 10 meter is greater. Question number 4. Avneet wonders if there is a way of getting an even greater perimeter. Can you find a way of doing this? The paving slab must meet along complete edges, that they cannot be broken. That means we have to arrange them closely. No space between them. Now 9 slabs are there. We will arrange like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The measure of one square is half meter. That means half plus half is 1. Then half plus half 1. Again half plus half 1. Half plus half 1. Then half plus half is 1. Half plus half 1. Half and half 1. Half plus half 1. Half plus half 1 and half is 1. Now do the total. 1 plus 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 meter is the perimeter. Understood? With this we complete our exercise here.